In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the country or region on your Epic Games account. So to go and change the region, we first need to close out of the Epic Games application, and we're going to open up an internet browser and just type in Epic Games change region and then hit enter. Now you should see the official Epic Games website right at the top here. It should say, how do I change the country on my Epic Games account? Go and click on this page. And then you can scroll down and you'll get a bit more information about changing your country or region. Now halfway through the page, you'll see this click here button. So go ahead and click here to start the country change process. And in the top right hand side, you need to make sure you're signed in to your account. And sometimes it will automatically detect that you're in another country, and it will give you a screen like this where you can go and automatically change your region. So I'm just going to click on send a code. And then you just need to enter this verification code and press change country. And just like that, we have now updated our country. Now, just bear in mind that you can only change your country or region once every 6 months. So if you have changed this recently, you can see that we won't be able to change it again until this specific date here. Sometimes you are able to go and contact the support team and they can change this manually for you. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.